no, I don't want to. I don't want to. The minute we're like in the middle of dinner, I have to go potty now. And you can't say it. She's cold. Then I got to deal with the mess. So, all right, let's get you down. And I'm like, this is what I asked you.
I know, but you know what? They have to do it on their turn.
Exactly. Well, and I noticed Siena and Sophia both just said no. No.
Yes.
I'm not going to. And I think they learned that at school from each other, like all the kids. And I'm not going to be your friend.
Is that what they said? Oh my gosh.
I'm not going to be your friend. Sophia said that to me. I'm not going to be your friend.
I think sometimes she gets mad at me.
Mommy's always your friend. Even if you're mad at me, Mommy's always your friend.
Get used to it.
And she'll call. She'll go, no. And she'll toss her on. It's like the whole act. Are you glad?
It's dark at the girls so early. I hear the boys.
Good job, Sophia. Beep, beep. Good job, Sophia. Thank you for sharing with your friend.
I need a Kleenex.
She and Sophia were playing together, and Miss Romney was letting them. It was